Good morning, Life for 5. We're going to work with the body bar today. So go ahead and set up on your side on the floor. So follow me exactly. I love the body bar. It's very versatile. One of the things I love to do on the floor is work ab adductors, and we're going to do that today. So I'm going to start off, make sure your positioning is correct. You can lay all the way down, but if you're up, I'm going to focus on doing a little extra core work while I'm doing my leg work today. So elbow under shoulder, hand anywhere it wants to be on the top if you want to be here. Make sure the knee is facing forward or slightly down. Good morning. I see a little thumbs up. Thank you so much. So I'm going to alternate between lower body and upper body just to get my core warmed up a little bit. And this is going to get the shoulders. And because I'm compressing through the waist here, it's also doing a great job working my core. So then once you do this a few times, remember, you can vary the positioning. So if you lift your glutes off the ground, you're going to get a great side plank. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few of those so that you can see it. You can also be on the foot if you like, but I'm going to stay on my knee, and you're going to just lift. And then hold at the top and give me slight contractions at the very top. Hi, good morning. Nice little heart. Thank you so much. And you want to keep the knee above your hip level. That's going to make the huge difference when you're doing this. And then always end with an isometric hold. Stay right there. And you're going to notice the pressure is going to build, and you're going to feel it in the core. You're going to feel it in the glute, which is part of the core, and all the way down that abductor. And then I'm going to raise that up. Pretty simple transition. Good morning. Thank you. And then drop the bar in front of you. So I'm going to show you a completely different way to do adductors. You can do just the regular inner thigh lift, but if you take the leg off the floor, you're going to destabilize. Good morning. Thank you. Destabilize that inner thigh. And when you destabilize that inner thigh by holding, you're going to be working your core. So this would be level 2. This would be level 3. And this would be level 4. Now you're engaged in your legs, your shoulders, your core. So this is a great exercise, but I'm feeling it in the inner thigh here. So if you're going to wear your short shorts for this summer, start now. So here we go. We're just squeezing and squeezing, and then I'm going to have you hold it. Remember, always end your exercises with a hold because it challenges your body in a different way. Then go ahead and take that top leg under, and we're going to do abdominal contractions here. This is weighted. If it's too heavy, you can roll the bar off, but I like this added contraction for the abdominals. I think it's great. And you can hear it in my voice. I'm really compressing on my rib cage. And I'm going to do a few more. Hold it right there and then flip over. Let's continue working the legs with some glute raises. Place the bar at the hip flexor. And all you're going to do, see a lot of people raising up too high and stressing the back. All you're going to do is squeeze the glute with a little bit of a posterior tilt. The longer the arms, the better. And a great way to intensify this is not only do rhythm changes like 2 up or 4 contractions and a hold where you're squeezing and escalating the pressure. So I might go 1, 2, 3, 4, squeeze, 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 squeeze. You can go to the toes. So I'm going to show you a couple of varieties here. You can go to the heels. You can turn the heels out. That's going to get medial glutes. So same area that you felt on the side leg position. I'm looking up at you. Right here, squeeze, squeeze. And then to finish it off, you can always do one-legged glutes. And you'll feel these in the hamstring. Good morning. Thank you for the hearts and the, I can't see anybody right here, but so on this one, again, change your reps up. So you might go 2 up and a tap, or 4 up and a hold. And then I'm going to come around, place it, switch it, and I'll give you a quick recap. So, lift the head side, put the foot under, abduction, elevated will work the core more. Whole series here, elevated above your hip line, lift it, switch it, inner thigh, destabilize, destabilize, destabilize for more intensity. And then finish off your adductors with some phenomenal abdominal work. One thing I didn't mention on the other side is you want to really be on the meat of those glutes. So sit back, push those legs, and then lift it, flip it, and do your glutes on the other side. I hope you enjoyed this quickie with the body bar. There's so many uses for it, and I'm sure I'll eventually get to all of them. Have a great day. Catch me on Wednesday for Cardio Wednesday.